To help provide a little bit more context to the average values being displayed, we need to find the median. Now, if you ever find yourself confused about what is the median value or the definition of that, just think about it like when you're driving down the highway and there's a median that separates the two lanes of traffic. It's in the middle. That's the same thing here. The median just happens to be the middle value of all the values in your range. To calculate the median value on our sample records, all we have to do is type in equals and then median, and then we'll do the parenthesis again, and we'll select those 4 records, we'll close it off, and we'll hit enter. Here you can see that Excel returns the median value of 1 because that happens to be the middle number out of those 4 records. Now, to help put this into a little bit more context, let's think about that median or middle value and compare that to the average value. What we're seeing here is that the middle value is a value of 1, but the average is 25.75. So when you think about those 4 records, we have the middle value of 1, and we have this really large value of 100, and that's pulling the numbers to an average of a 25.75.